Big, bold earrings, small, sophisticated sunglasses, and handbags in all shapes and sizes. Shop at Goodwill this spring for all the latest trends and one-of-a-kind vintage pieces. Find out more at Goodwill.org.
Halloween comes alive at Goodwill. Look beautiful on a budget. Whether you want to be a pirate, zombie, superhero, or something completely unique, Goodwill has you covered. Shop for everything from dresses and suits to vintage clothes and accessories. We have all the ingredients you need for a scary good costume this Halloween. Find your nearest Goodwill and some spooky inspiration at goodwill.org/Halloween.
Not sure what to be this Halloween? Wow, calm down. There's no need to lose your head. We have costume consultants ready to help you put together the perfect costume at Goodwill. See a store associate and start creating something unique for Halloween. Are you ready to play this spring? Be a game changer for someone in your community by shopping at Goodwill for sports equipment, gear, and more. Goodwill sells donated goods to create job opportunities and training in your community. Get in the game by visiting Goodwill.org. Warmer weather means time to shed those layers. Check out our spring fashions and update your wardrobe with bright colors and patterns. By shopping at Goodwill, you're giving someone in your community a fresh start through our employment placement and job training services.